Class, today we'll be having a fire alarm. When the fire alarm starts, here are the rules. Number 1, no screaming. Number 2, no running. Number 3, no pushing someone when in a rush. Number 4, no shouting. Number 5, no don't no drawing something and leave it before the fire alarm starts. Number 6, don't go to the toilet because the fire alarm might start and you will be stuck there while the other kids will get out. So, did you agree my rules?
Yes, we did.
Good. I hope that you agreed. Before the fire and also the fire alarm is gonna start in 2 minutes. 2 minutes later. Kids, the fire alarm has started. Let's walk down slowly and don't run or scream. Alright, I guess the sound stopped. Who? David? Here. Dragon Dude? Here. Thomas and Friends? Here. Dan K-19? Here. Old Rooster Rudy? Here. And Mr. Penguin? No, I meant and Mr. Penguin? Here. Alright, it looks like we have everyone. Okay, class, time to go back up. I'm sure that was fun. We didn't get scared at all. Yeah, I'm glad that you did. I'm glad that you followed the rules, kids. Yeah. When a fire alarm starts, I hope you follow the rules again. We will!